Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today I'm going to announce the winners of the dye giveaway from the week of September 3rd through the 9th, 2022. I want to say thank you, Crystal, so much for donating the dye to the channel. Couldn't have done it without you. And thank you to everybody that participated. I always have a lot of fun with doing these, and for all of you that went over to Brad's Boredom Busters and subscribe to his channel. That's awesome. And thank you very much for those of you that went over to my Instagram and clicked follow over there. I did make it over 2,000 followers, and I think that's awesome. So I really appreciate it. And we had a really good turnout on this one. I entered in over 250 names, and many of you did all 3 entries. So it took me a while, but I'm having a lot of fun with this. So good luck, everybody, and let's get into it. All right, let's see who the winners are. And the first winner is K. Scott Pegasus. All right, congratulations. And number 2 is Jackie Hanley. Woohoo! And winner number 3 is Jules Koch. All right, congratulations, everyone. So reach out to me and send me a private message. I need your full name and your address. Do not put it on social media. I prefer to use Facebook Messenger, but you can reach out to me on Instagram if you don't have Facebook Messenger. So congratulations, and thank you again, everybody that participated. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing!